What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best electric drain augers available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and remember to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. Populo Automatic Cordless Drain Auger. For a lightweight and easy-to-use cordless electric drain auger, this Populo machine is a top choice. It can clear a toilet, shower, or sink drain from 3/4 inch up to 2 inches with its 25-foot cord. The feeding handle lets users know how much cable to release, and the lock feature secures the line to remove tough hair buildup. When something like this is made in China, other sellers are either buying from the same supplier or a different supplier is copying the model. In other words, you may get the same product with a different name on it for less money by choosing the Populo model over the Tekpo model. The final consideration is battery power. The latest Tekpo model sports a 20V battery, while this unit by Populo features an 18V battery. Additionally, the Populo Snake apparently comes backed by a lifetime warranty, and the Tekpo warranty is 2 years. We recommend checking the reviews of each model for yourself to decide which model is better for your home. At the time of this writing, both models have excellent scores. Number 2. Vevor Electric Drain Auger Machine. This is another heavy-duty sewer cleaning machine that's worth mentioning. At almost a 1/3 of the price of the Cobra Products model, you get a 100-foot cable and a 1750 RPM motor for maximum torque. The only difference between the two models is that the Vevor model can't unclog drains more than 4 inches in diameter. The auto-feed mechanism makes it easy to advance and retract the cable. It also comes with 4 changeable heads based on the materials you're dealing with in your drains. It comes in a sturdy steel frame to handle the torque. Prepare to be dazzled by 4 different shapes of cutters: arrow cutter, spade cutter, C-cutter, boring bulb cutter. The quick change design makes the cutters easily connected or disconnected. Multiple attachments contribute a lot to clear away various blockages. The cable is also made of high-quality steel, which makes it effective in unclogging sewers, and this steel material doesn't rust easily. However, make sure you wash it regularly. Vevor has also rolled out a very effective air-activated foot switch, which makes the working process flawless. We also love the compact size for easier storage and the wheels for portability. Number 3. DrainX Pro Steel Drum Auger. Clearing clogs can be messy work, so this DrainX kit includes a pair of black plumber's work gloves to protect the hands and a drawstring carrying pouch to store the tool neatly. 1/4 dia steel snake with spiral head designed for 1¼ through 3 drain pipes. It is not recommended to use this drum auger to clear a toilet clog as the snake may damage the porcelain. In addition, the 1/4 diameter snake may get twisted inside the large diameter of the toilet drain. The diameter of the tip 9/16 of an inch or 0.56 inch. Grip handle and turning knob allows you to use this tool easily to manually drive the snake to unclog your pipes. Thumbscrew keeps the snake secure in its housing while the drum is not in use. As for the job itself, there's a heavy-duty steel drain auger with a 25-foot snake for use in drains that range from 1¼ inch to 3 inches in diameter. There's a rigid handle and a turning knob on the back of the snake drum for ease of use. A manual lock can be tightened to hold the snake in place to avoid backsliding through the pipes. Number 4. Ryobi P4001 Electric Drain Auger. Attaching a drill to a plumbing snake is not always the best idea. Some of them may not last long after that. Luckily, you can benefit from an electric plumbing snake like the Ryobi P4001 model. Ryobi is famous for manufacturing high-quality cordless products, giving you even more reasons to trust their products. This electric plumbing snake comes with a 600 RPM motor, which delivers enough torque while the 25-feet cable provides enough reach. It's well equipped to unclog toilets, kitchen sinks, and bathtubs that are at least 2 inches in diameter. Auto feed pushes the cable forward while cable clamp mode keeps the cable locked in place to bore through tough spots. Unlike the manual drain augers where you have to spin a knob to advance the cable, push the cable forward with the push of a button. It also features an auto feed and locking mechanism. The 18V battery also lasts long. To prevent the user from fatigue, the handle has an overmold. The drum is well built and has feet that prevent it from damaging delicate surfaces. Like most Ryobi products, this plumbing snake has a 3 years warranty. Number 5. Mophorn Portable Electric Drain Auger. Last up is the most heavy-duty piece of machinery in this guide. Although it's not the best drain cleaner machine on the market, it's one of the best budget drain cleaning machines for home use. If you have an unrelenting solid clog on your hands or need to cut through small to medium-size roots, this is the tool for the job. Equipped with an air-activated foot switch, this sewer machine helps you control the cable with fewer efforts, making the cleaning process cleaner and more effective. Unlike cleaning pipes with powder, our sewer snake does not harm the surroundings. The smallest model in the lineup is the 370W with its 50-foot cable and 4 included cutting heads. The included heads are a C-cutter, boring bulb, spade, and arrow. For jobs that require a cable longer than 50 foot, there are models that provide up to 3/8100 cables. The 370W model's 1/2 solid-core stainless steel cable is good for both indoor and outdoor applications and for large drains up to 4 in diameter. The operation switch makes it easy to move the cable forward and backward without cranking. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the following video.